AmEx credit cards getting approved fast with bad credit. Most people think AmEx only approves excellent credit. That used to be true. Today, approval can happen even with fair or weak scores if you apply the right way. Why AmEx matters. AmEx cards are accepted at 99% of U.S. stores and almost 90% worldwide. They offer strong rewards, travel benefits, cash back, and business options. They also provide savings accounts and CDs, which help build a customer relationship. Pros and cons. Pros: wide rewards choices, strong travel partners, premium benefits, and several no-fee cards. Cons: some cards have high annual fees, limited redemption options, and strict approval rules. How approval works. AmEx prefers a 650 score or higher, but lower scores can still pass. Income of $24,000 a year or more helps. A clean bank record in the last 7 years is key. They check systems, and debt to income should be 40% or lower. Relationship banking. Opening an AmEx savings account improves approval odds. Even one product on file shows trust and history. 4 types of cards. Cashback, everyday use, and simple rewards. Co-branding, linked with travel hotels and airlines. Luxury travel, high fees but high-value travel credits. Business, rewards built for company spending. Choosing the right card. Ask 3 questions. Is this for personal use or business? Do you need cashback or points? Do you want general travel or a partner card? These answers narrow your approval path and avoid denials. Rewards system. Membership rewards points average 2.1 cents per point. They can be used for travel, credits, gift cards, and transfers. Point value changes based on how you redeem. Best picks. Blue Cash Preferred, strong for groceries and gas. Gold, strong for dining and supermarkets. Business Platinum, top-tier travel perks for companies. Hilton no fee, hotel rewards without yearly cost. Smart application strategy. If denied, move to a second choice quickly. Build banking history before applying. Lower debt and keep card usage below 30%. Core lesson. Approval does not rely only on score. It relies on trust signals such as income, low debt, bank history, and car match. Suggest. If this helped you understand how to get accepted faster, even with weak credit, share it with others who need a clear path to approval.